I'm gonna open up the Kingdoms Prison Carriage Rescue set. I actually bought it with the, yeah, you can watch the unboxing video. So yeah, so I just pushed my head in here. Like that. And then I'll build it. Okay, so there's the Kingdoms, the instruction booklet, pieces, and yeah, I'm gonna build it and then I'm gonna review it. So yeah, bye.